tour with me around our C-17.
This is our restroom. Here is where we sleep. Here is the main cabin. This is where we store all of our gear. This is where I sleep. Yo, what's really good on my day ones? Welcome back to the channel. Let's cut straight to the chase. Today I will be showing you what's in my deployment bags. I have a total of 4 essentials that I carry with me. First is a side pouch. I have like basically a satchel, which I carry with me while I'm on the plane. And then this right here is a helmet bag. Helmet bag really doesn't have that much stuff in here. This is like I like to call it my snack bag. And then we got our main deployment bag. First thing I want to show you guys is my side pouch. This hangs at the side of my belt right here. And inside here is a headlight, some patches, and basically things that you'll probably pull out during the flight, which for me is a hand sanitizer. I got some 10cc syringes. I have a pen. Got some alcohol swabs. Just the most random things in here. There's no flushes in here. I tried putting flushes in here, but it did not work. On here though, I got some pretty cool patches. There's a game that I play. The patch says Hell Divers, my unit pouch, and an ECMO pouch. Right here is basically my satchel. This is what I carry with me when we get off the plane and I need to pull something up real quick. This is where I usually put all like my needles, some more blunt fill needles, and some tegaderms. If you're like me, you tend to be very type A. So even inside this pouch, has like a bunch of other things that I put in a plastic bag because I don't like having the pouch very messy on the inside. I am out of flushes because the last mission that we ran, I used up all the flushes. Some gloves, some tourniquets, some tape. You get the point if you're a nurse. The next bag I have is actually a helmet bag, and you'll see on my bags I have a ton of carabiners. These are good for stabilizing or holding down your things in flight because things tend to go haywire throughout the flight. I have a neck pillow. I have these, which is for your gas mask. They're my opticals for the gas mask. We don't carry gas masks around. Inside this pouch, which is inside my bag, is our headsets. We carry headsets throughout the flight, and it's just needed for our communication. So this is my snack pack. Got a protein shake, got a Fairlife right there, and some almonds, honey roasted almonds with sugar. And I always have a big thing of baby wipes. We don't have any running water on the plane, so I like to have handy wipes just in case. Now the big boy. Here we have our big boy, our main pack that we carry, which is called the 72-hour pack. If you're a flyer, you will end up having to make one of these. You need to always be ready, and whenever you get the text for a mission drop-in, you just got to be able to grab your stuff and go. So again, ton of carabiners. The carabiner right here. Carabiner, connect the carabiner to the top, and I got a big carabiner. This carabiner is just basically to attach everything so I don't lose everything. Got a flashlight on the outside right here. I carry that just in case. Some of the stuff wasn't issued to me. Some of the stuff I added over time. And I don't know what this is, like a survival bracelet, I guess. But these pretty cool glasses that they gave me. You need these in the flight line. Shit flies all over the place. I have an extra pair of shoes and also some batteries. The batteries are specifically for the headsets that we carry with us. Nothing really much else in here. But now that I'm here, actually, let me grab it. Actually, no, don't worry. I'll just leave that there. Inside the main compartment here, we have a toiletry bag. Toiletry bag basically has everything that I need, from toothbrush to hair wax to a charger, and always carry something that you could use internationally for like your plugs. So I have one of those, and the extra charger. The extra charger I just leave in here. I don't want to take that out. They issue you a ton of gloves. So inside here I have an extra pair of black gloves. a reflective belt. The reflective belt you need at nighttime when you are on the flight line. Some people tell you to wear it while you're on the flight line, but you know, some people don't use them. I have my own little Pelican case full of like little meds, like Tylenol, Advil, some Benadryl, some antiemetics, and some, what's it called? Some Band-Aids just in case I cut my hand because of all the crap that we're lagging around. Now down here, again, I have an extra pair of gloves. We have so much gloves. Actually, let me put this back up here because I thought I lost these. Finally found them. I have an extra pair of gloves somewhere. I have a power bank right here. I have a lot of bungee cords. Sometimes you need the bungee cords to strap in like a lot of your medicines. So I have that just in case. In here is basically all my clothes. I have about 3 days worth of clothes in here. I don't want to unpack this. It has my clothes, underwear, and everything else here. I have a sleeping bag in here. I have CCATT flight documents. If you made it to this part of the video, I'm going to tell you guys a story while I pack all this stuff up and basically get it ready for the next mission. The story goes like this. One of our first missions was to HDAM. If you don't know what the HDAM mission is, it was basically, I'm not going to say it because of OPSEC reasons, but you fly down to Africa. We get down to Africa, and the one thing that I forgot to pack, you know what it was? I'll give you 5 seconds to guess. It's a towel. Me thinking that they were going to provide a towel at the connexes that we were going to stay at because they provided everything else. They provided our sheets for the bed. The one thing that they did not provide was a towel. So we get in around, I want to say 5 in the evening, but in process takes about 2 hours. 2 hours later, we get to our connexes, and guess what they don't have inside all our sheets and stuff? A towel. I go to the shopette. At the shopette, I asked, do you guys have towels? They said no. I was frustrated because I needed a towel. Because if I didn't have a towel, guess what? I'm gonna have to use my shirt. Also, here's some more carabiners. I go to the first exchange that night. It was already about 8 in the evening. I was gross. I wanted a shower. They tell me that they don't have any towels. I said, do you guys have another shopette on base? They said yes. They call the other shopette, no towels. The guy tells me, your best bet is in the morning, the exchange will be open. So me and my buddy, we were like, let's just go get food. So we go to Pizza Hut on base. It's about 10-15 minute walk from the connexes. We get to the Pizza Hut, and behind the desk was a Filipino. The Filipino asked me if I'm Filipino, and I said yes. Then I asked him in Tagalog, Tol, may tuwalya ka ba? That means, do you guys have a towel? And he goes, he had one right here, and he goes, ito. And I was like, bro, you use that to wipe tables. And I just started laughing. I thought it was funny. I said, you know what? Never mind. Order pizza, eat it, think nothing of it. We walk back to our connexes, and then I take a shower. I use a shirt. Not my proudest moment. And we go to sleep. The connex is super cold. And need I remind you, I did not know that the sun rises so freaking early. The plan was to get up at 6 to go to the DFAC. If you don't know what a DFAC is, it's a dining facility. You get to the dining facility, and lo and behold, food is really great. The exchange opens up at 7 or 8, one of those times. After the DFAC, we went over the exchange. The exchange, I asked them, do you guys have a towel? So I'm very hopeful. I was so angry because they told me, oh, we don't sell towels. I said, bro, what kind of exchange does not sell a towel? So guess what? I had to shower again with a shirt. And because of that, the moment we get back to base, when we get back from the mission, first thing I buy is a towel. So what's the lesson you learned there? Don't forget to pack a towel in your 72-hour pack. So besides that, I enjoyed making this video and showing you guys what's in my deployment bag. If you guys enjoyed this video and that storytelling, please let me know. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Besides that, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate your support. Besides that, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care.